Hi, my name is Sharon Laughlin. I'm a dermatologist and I specialize in cutaneous laser surgery medicine. I'm medical director of LaserDerm and medical consultant to Cyberderm. I've been in practice for 30 years, and in that 30 years I've seen what the sun can do to skin. I've also experienced some of my first 25 years. It was my wish in the early years to try and formulate sunscreen that would really protect against the UVB and the UVA rays. UVB rays are the burning rays, UVA rays are the aging rays, and those are the rays that cause freckles and brown spots, other brown spots, wrinkles, that actinic bronzing of the skin, spider veins, and they can also cause cancer. Early sunscreens actually were only covering UVB rays, and so people were using sunscreens that had high SPF, which means that you can stay out in that sun longer than, say, whatever the number is without burning. But the problem was, without the UVA protection in there, people were spending a lot of time in the sun and getting a lot of UVA damage. We recognized that we had to protect against UVA as well, and early sunscreens contained something called avobenzone, which was somewhat helpful in UVA rays, but unfortunately we recognized after a while that it was not photostable. After an hour it wasn't protecting anymore, so people were in trouble again. We now know that ingredients such as avobenzone and oxybenzophenone, which are two chemicals in a lot of sunscreens, are not only irritants but are very common photosensitizers. The best sunscreen out there is always zinc. And you'll maybe remember the days when people used nose coat with that white nose and lips. And in fact, I saw a soccer player at the games who had a white nose and lips, and obviously using zinc ointment to cover and protect his lips and nose. In the 1990s, we formulated a sunscreen with micronized zinc. And there are some sunscreens out there now that are using micronized zinc, and at 8% or less, it is invisible. Once you get past 8%, it becomes white. The new technology coming out of Australia is using nanozinc, and nanozinc up at 15 to 25% is invisible. It gives you complete protection against UVB and UVA. It's a very nice product to use, very soft. It feels like a dry touch, and yet slightly moisturizing. So our new sunscreen is 15% nanozinc, and we've also included 7.5% encapsulated methoxycinnamate to boost the UVB protection. Always apply your sunscreen first thing every morning, because UVA comes through cloud, it comes through window glass. Make sure you reapply if you sweat or swim, and just have a happy summer and enjoy it.